To Bloom's Kitchen. Hi, welcome to Bloom's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you a very quick vegetable soup. This soup is excellent for weight loss and for those of you looking to maintain your weight. Now I'm just showing you here the vegetables I'm going to use. I will post a comprehensive ingredient list on the left side of your screen. For those of you who are vegetarians, I'll tell you when to stop and then where to stop in this recipe. And for those of you who are not, we're going to continue all the way and add some protein at the end. I'm going to be using mushrooms, scallions, zucchini, lemons, Brussels sprouts, onions, leek, celery, parsley, and carrots. So feel free to use whatever vegetable combination of choice you have available or you love. But I do encourage you to give these ones a try. That way you can experience other things. So right now we are going to move over and start making our soup. I already have my chickpeas boiling, so that will make you feel fuller at the end of the day. So this is really excellent. It keeps you full, you don't feel hungry, and then it's going to help you lose weight at the same time. If today is your first time joining me, welcome to the family. Don't forget now to like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching. I'll get this thing started. Thank you. Here we have it. Our vegetable soup is ready. So for those of you who are vegetarians, this is a beautiful recipe you can try. It tastes delicious and amazing and really healthy. And for those of you who are not vegetarians, all you have to do is just add any protein of choice. So you can add chicken, turkey, anything you want goes with this soup. And because of the chickpeas, it's really filling, and all the ingredients we've used are excellent for weight loss and maintaining your weight. Please give this recipe a try. Don't forget to support me by clicking on the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and turn on your notification. That way you see new videos I release every week. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.